Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to solve question number 1 of exercise 8.1. The question says that in triangle ABC, this triangle is right angle at point B. AB equal to 24 cm and BC equal to 7 cm. Determine the value of sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. Here the length of side AB and BC are given, but the length of AC is not given. First I am going to find the length of AC. AC is equal to, I am going to find the length of AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to, this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. This is the hypotenuse. You know that square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. It is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 24, square of 24 plus square of 7 equal to 576 plus 49. It is equal to 625. So AC equal to under root 625 equal to 25 centimeter. Here the value of AC is equal to what? The measurement of length AC, side AC is equal to 25 centimeter. It means the value of AC equal to 25 centimeter. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now I am going to find the value of sin A with respect to angle A. With respect to angle A, this side is the adjacent side. So this side will become base, and this side opposite of adjacent side is called the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So the value of sin A is equal to what? You know that sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? BC. BC upon AC. Now it will become 7 upon 25. 7 upon 25. Similarly, you can find the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos A, base upon hypotenuse. Here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. It is equal to 24 by 25. In the second part, with respect to angle C, how can we find the value of sin C and cos C? Here, in the second part, with respect to this angle, this side will become adjacent side. So now here the perpendicular and base are now going to interchange. This side will become base for angle C. This is the base, and this will be perpendicular with respect to this angle, with respect to angle C, So can you find the sin C and cos C, children? Yes, we can find the value of sin C and cos C. Sin C, sin equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is now 24. With respect to angle C, this side will become perpendicular. Perpendicular is now AB upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AB equal to 24 upon 25. This is the value of sin C. Now, what will be the value of cos C? Cos C equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is 7 centimeter. With respect to angle C, BC will be base. BC upon AC. Here BC is 7 and AC equal to 25. AC equal to 25. This is the value of cos C and this is the value of sin C. Okay. Thank you, children.